Hey guys, welcome to day number 4 of our Metamorphosis course. So, yesterday we worked on momentum, and today we're gonna slay those demons. We're gonna fight back those distractions, that comfort zone that is running. It's all part of that iOS. So, to fight back, we're gonna have to use tools, we're gonna have to plan properly. So I want you to start thinking of 5 distractions or addictions. They might even be addictions or obsessions that are part of your old self and you want to move on from. So think about 5. And obviously, with that GPT, you're going to start taking action pretty quickly. We're going to look at the cost over time, the cost of not taking actions, the compound effect of casting votes toward your old self and putting you in that downward spiral. And we're gonna fight back. One system, one boundary at a time for each of those distractions. Here a quote: you can't defeat what you won't define. So we define and destroy. You already have it in the top 10 weekly goals exercise. Every time you use the red pen, you acknowledge them, ready to be fought back with action, right? Every doubt has a voice. Whose voice is it? Is it a parent, teacher, your past self, right? So doubt, part of the equation, right? We need to fight back the doubts. Your mind is trying to protect the old version of you. That's cute. It might even scream, "What are you doing?" We're gonna fight back. And at some point, you're gonna have a smile on your face while fighting back, because you know that you're on the right path. What is it trying to protect you from? Rejection? Judgment? Looking stupid? Now ask yourself, if this mission was assigned to you, what move would you make today? That's the move. That's the override action. So we're gonna name the saboteur again. You have a good idea from yesterday's exercise, but now it's gonna have its own name. And it's going to be specific. And we're going to use it every day. Oh, yes, you're talking to me. I see you. But I'm going to choose the other side. It's going to be part of those mini negotiations in your head. So with the link, you'll have access to the Shadow Slayer GPT. And once you put start here, let's go over a couple of sections together. So the kill list. We already talked about 5 things that are bringing you into the distraction world, that zombie mode or that numbing part of your day, right? So we're gonna find 5. There might not be 5, there might be just 2 or 3, but let's try to find 5 to make sure that we're acknowledging them, and we're gonna set the stage to fight back. So the annual cost: I need a break, cost 10 hours per week, 520 hours per year. I'm staying responsive, but losing all morning deep work. I need to feel ready, the perfectionist. It's networking, it's just emotional outsourcing. Branding matters, yes, but not more than offers that sells. So finding the real needle movers when it comes down to work, your career, or a business that you're building. We're gonna install new boundaries. The 3-2-1 at night, so 3 hours no food, 2 hours no liquid, 1 hour no screen time. Obviously, the best case scenario would be to put it at 8, 9, 10. For example, if you want to go to bed at 10 and wake up, let's say between 5 to 5:30 to 6 the next day to have our full 7 hours and a half, 8 hours. We have those boundaries in place for the no food, no liquid, no work, and no screen, right? Same thing with rewarding yourself with an hour of zombie time. I'd rather having you setting that out later that day after doing your Power 15, eating your frog, and if one of your goals is to go to the gym that day or to eat healthy for lunch, if you succeeded all those mini goals or tiny wins, then maybe you can have that hour of zombie mode, but it has a reward and with boundaries. A specific time. Is it 30 minutes, 40 minutes, an hour? And we put alarms to stay in control. This is the main thing here. So the second part, doubt, dissection protocol. You're gonna have those voices, right? You're gonna have your old self fighting back. we need to understand the doubt, those voices, the false protections, or the good excuses, the compound effect, right? And we're gonna find bold moves. We're gonna name the saboteur again, script the fear, the response, right? We're gonna override it. We're gonna bring proof that we're taking action and it's working for us. We're gonna bring declaration as well. So your saboteur wants to keep you safe, but safety isn't your truth. Movement is. Growth is. This is how we win now. We name the pattern, we override the script. We vote for the men every single time. What's the one distraction or fear you must override today? And how will your 2.0 self respond instead? So it's always about triggers and patterns. We need to switch gears. So then again today, copy those answers into the course doc that you've built. If you work with me, share it again. And obviously, if you want to work with me, you have the Fiverr link here. So then again, dig deep. We're starting to set the stage, set boundaries, to face those limiting beliefs and those good excuses. So go at it. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate. And see you tomorrow. Bye. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a look at this other video right here, and please do like and subscribe. And if you want to join our empowering, uplifting community of entrepreneur, click down below and see you on the other side.